What's going on, guys? So in today's video I am going to show you what you can do if your scanner is not detected after you installed it. Now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. So first, go to your search and from here type services. So let's click on services here. And from this list, you can scroll down and find Windows Image Acquisition. So it's right here. Now let's do a right click and go to Properties. Now here, just click on Stop and make sure the service status is stopped. And under Startup Type, you can go ahead and select Automatic. And after that, you can click on Start and make sure the service status is running. Now after that, click on Apply and click on OK. Now you can go ahead and close this window. Go back to search and type CMD. Now click on Run as Administrator. And right here you can type msdt.exe space / ID, and you can type device diagnostic and hit enter. So this is going to open up hardware and device troubleshooter. Now click on advanced and make sure apply repairs automatically is checked. Now after that, click on next. And this troubleshooter is going to automatically find and detect problems and automatically fix them. Now after that, you can apply the fix and start your PC and you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.